Hi there. I didn't see you there. Hi, my name's Donghoon. I'm at the School Visual Arts right now working on my summer projects in Figma. I currently use Figma for all sorts of things, from brainstorming to sketching to designing and prototyping. My favorite way to use Figma is working with teammates and collaborating and showing off the cursor chat feature that many students don't even know. I know. I love to host events about using figjam, Figma sites, Figma motion, as well as agentic AI and MCPs, and other ways to use Figma beyond just UI design that design students and people already use Figma for. I want to strengthen the usage of Figma for UI UX as well as expand it beyond UI design into motion, website builder, and all-in-one collaboration tool that Figma is starting to become today. I'd also love to host events that use Figma in conjunction with other new emerging tools like Framer or any other tools that are coming out. And I'd also love to host events of making portfolio website using Figma design and Figma sites. I'd be very stoked to be a Figma campus leader at SVA. Now, I think I should get back to work.